everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, area does scatter for salt and water ministry. He get one man, the man say, it is spend money for elderly woman when he dey date. I not gonna know whether this guy not gonna see young girl follow. We can say now old man, old woman, now he want can go they spend money for. And according to this guy, now Shoroti now in they do. Shoro, you can go they spend money for the woman. Mona listen though, you can cry out now say the woman for wetin he do and Mona listen sha.
Bridge. Oma even though we here, we have a dress platform now. When you are around the big another, if you are in Bunila Webona, need your body, you know, Bangwa, or Mubore Webona, who know what is a webo, or Manati with a webo, who know Mudawa. They can't tell them where they can not play last year. They tell them now, when you are around the big back, they are controlling young book control. But we don't matter what I am for 3 years, or you know what is a 5,000 euro for that. You have to calculate to make it.
He said this woman never spend dime for her, but he does spend more than 5,000 euro for this woman. Hey, he must be a nice guy.
When no one went to spend digo one mama. A mama went to your way, no, but the mama carry away book or where.
Mommy, you raise shot, say, you will just come Europe whenever I say. You spend more than 5,000 euro for a woman. Wait, be say, this woman does spend more than 30 years for Europe. Now, you they spend money for this woman, say, senior you. Hey. And this kind of guys go, they follow young girl now. You know, one spend money for the young girl. But if you go spend money for an elderly woman, are you kidding me right now, this boy? The boy say this woman don't born finish, as in she don't born finish, not be small pikin again, not be say why ever born for her. Then what you can go they follow elderly woman for? Can they spend money for her? Does it mean say you not see young girl when you want follow this guy? Now wow. He said, nah, because the time when this woman know this guy, she be they follow Oyibo before. Even with the Oyibo can't get problem, now you can't say they follow this guy because the woman go sit talk now. You understand? Then now the problem now we can't make this guy now the verse say the Oyibo don't come beg the woman back now. This woman now want go back to Oyibo. I don't want to be the main problem now. Now listen.
And he may drink when we have passport in it. Well, we go for 17 years, everybody passport, you know. A boy we had to have many messages. I mean, what relationship in us before?
The woman say make the guy bear him. Make if I go see collect his passport, European passport first for the Oyibo hand. Then before you can't leave Oyibo, come back to this guy again. But what is this? But why use that little woman say do not that part? And I mean not understand.
Well, no, this buy. Mommy, when no time, this buy any time. We don't want to. We don't care about you. I mean, also, on one man.
Well done. We're fear no down here. What no down here? Catch you. Mama, who down here in the brother see mama.
Mama, when no sooner, a boy now. Delegate my bona home. My Maria. Okay, maybe you ain't in there. You know, the last man, the last man, you made another move. Wow, in the way, Moeka Cabo.
We say the woman say yes, the boy really spent for him. he really spend for am. No be say no spend. You understand? Now, mommy, you consider because if they spend money for you, now it make you love the guy.
He really spent
Yeah,
money for
you
you.
know
That's
what
why
we're
you fall
more.
in love.
Yeah, mama, go back to one.
Okay.
So we know we not do alele. Ni yalele ni mama yaro ni. O gbe to wu wa mu e. O we ni dori go ni eri meni o. Eri go meni ni ya we beg no na o. Eri go palo me 50,000 euro we o.
This woman say because say the guy spend money for him, you know, they let him drink water, keep cup. Any small thing, that's why he spend money for you. Now so he do this one, go just they announce and they go for different people, you know, and of which that kind of thing not still good, sha.
Okay, una olivera so we no na go ona vie. Ina wo baba go do olivera so wo wa. Wa kama we ni go we anyway. Okay, olivera ma na ga we se right there ka wo ge no. Wa me le be abalo o suene o ta one o te bo me ni ye.
He said the guy na person wey get pepper body. Because money wey he spend for am, before she all do anything, the guy go just pick offense. The guy go just the verse, you know. I know say that they see guys like that, you understand? That they see some guys like that, and of which is not good. Now so he go send people, make they go beat the woman, make they go meme the woman. He go they threaten the woman, you know.
Si wa mo e go pete ni ma counter e ma ina pete o di ma boy na aro. Okay, ma wa ga ma pe na ku pe wa mo ti bi na mo tore.
He said this guy, there is no how two of them go play rich, make they not quarrel. He say fight must come. Fight must come. And she go they try, make she avoid the fight. Make fight not come. He say, but the guy la fight must come.
Ma like it na. No, mama go be there. No, mama you only man answer what there. And the long tree back answer why. I mean God don't save me, boy. Oh, be. He get away. And we see on a relationship ni go along the so you get all know the doing it, even forgive it. Maybe you continue. Okay, and you don't tell where my own the one in the household.
He said the guy don't do go beat him, go quarrel. So you can send him off it again. Later the guy go still beg, he go still forgive him.
So I have it. Oh, I mean, my time, put it to a moment. Now, a great anything in the eye. When you have in my like you get that, in you could that. Oh, now we are changed, and I will even quit. Another day again, I will go to it's so wild not to see me.
He said the guy comes to sees the bag. When he go his house, he sees the bag. He doesn't start again though. He said as you see the guys, the body can pepper him. He said as he beat him, he even tell her say you both don't come beg him. As he beats her, he come police come for outside one, they can't give him slap. So police come, police can't tell the woman, say make you come donation the guy. But she not can still go donation because of in the pity for him, you understand? But some guys, they are on their body sha.
I know all of the big value. They are a little so in the little, I say not to find out where. Oh, Brianna, no, ya, Harazi, Gwen Codonile, Ebony, Lemma, Ebo Magbo, but they also my humiliating it there. A yard die, you know, when the sister of Ogbenorgia, a yard Lepoya, we married, people doing it. So maybe Lepo will manage it, maybe okay, and Mammy Lovable, a yard to go at it. Okay, maybe we're married,
When you were married to them,
okay, my wife come back. My udon, come back. Okay, boy, the people can tell you, okay, I'm why black or very more wabani.
Okay, now I understand. She say she can't leave the boy, go marry Oyibo. After she can't go marry Oyibo, she can't find out say she no love Oyibo again. After he went to Oyibo, don't go do marriage. Now he can't come back to this boy again. The boy beg and she beg the boy, they can't settle back. As they settle back, but the quarrel finish, no. Quarrel not finish. He says, so the boy, so quarrel, so fight. My darling people, wait till I think about this video, because the video, I know I made too long. You know, I know I made too long. So anything what I think about this video, my darling people, more than leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe so that you could hear many ogbonge news when they come out for you. Thank you for coming around again, and God bless you. Bye, everybody. Please share the video. Let the video go viral so that 1 or 2 people will learn from this side. Thank you. Bye.